We are going to read Parashat Kedoshim this Shabbat. There is a verse there that says, "You shall not insult the deaf or place a stumbling block before the blind. You shall fear your God. I am the Lord." And a few chapters later, it says, "Do not wrong one another, but fear your God, for I am the Lord your God." The Gemura asks what kind of a damage we're talking about here. What is the wrong that is being done? Because there is a wrong that we can do by making somebody have material damage, or you can also wrong a person by causing them spiritual damage. And the examples that the Talmud brings are, for example, somebody who wants to buy food for his asses, and he's told to go to a certain place when the person who gives the advice knows very well that there is no food for the asses there. Or somebody who makes believe that he really wants to buy something in a store, and he looks at all of the products and he actually has no money on him, but the seller is expecting to make a sale, so in the end he's making him go through some kind of a suffering as well. So the rabbis ask, which is worse, to cause a verbal wrong or to cause a physical wrong, a physical damage? And they say that actually it's even worse to cause this kind of a verbal wrong or verbal oppression, because there is no way to take it back, and because the person is being affected, and it's not only a question of money. Why do the verses speak about knowing, being fearful of God when someone does this kind of a transgression? The rabbis in the Talmud says, because the person whom you are doing this to does not know what your real intentions are. When you look at it from the outside, it seems like you may have really expecting to buy something, or you really thought that that person was selling food for the asses. But God knows what's in your heart, and that's why it says you should fear God. God knows whether your intentions are true or whether you are just making the other person have false expectations for no reasons. Hence, we have this expression: when you do these things, remember that you should fear God.